Welcome. In this session, we are going to see how to terminate or cancel or kill a query in PostgreSQL. Probably this is one of the simplest topic which we are going through as of now. So it's a very common situation in the DBA world whenever you have to kill or cancel a query in PostgreSQL. The only thing which you have to identify is you identify it from the database and that this is the particular query which needs to be cancelled or killed. All right, so there are few things which can be shared by the application owner, but rest of the things you have to find out. The first thing when you are trying to kill a query, the first thing which you have to find out what all is happening inside my database. If you simply say select a star from pg underscore stat underscore activity where status equal to active, this will show all the sessions which are currently active in your database. So let me quickly come out of my Postgres session. If you simply say select a star from pg underscore stat underscore active where status equal to active, this will show you all the active sessions. So as of now, I just fired select star from pg underscore stat underscore activity. So it is just one session, which is a kind of client backend. And there are three columns on top. There is one dat ID, dat name, and PID. So the third value, which is PID, is of our concern. Or if you simply see the GUI format, that's easy. If you simply select star from pg underscore stat underscore activity, so it's a third column which is of our interest. So when you have to kill a query, you just have to find out what is the process ID of that particular query. The second thing which you have to find out is, which you have to actually decide. There are two ways to kill the session. One is pg underscore terminate underscore backend, and in bracket you mention the PID. Otherwise, you simply say select pg underscore terminate underscore backend, in bracket you say PID. So these are the two ways. If you simply say pg underscore cancel underscore backend, that is what you say, the graceful cleanup, and the other one is pg underscore terminate underscore backend, and both of them takes the input as the process ID. That's a hard kill. So let us see a small demo, not very good to share over here, but let's see. So I have connected to two database sessions, and let me fire one query over here. It's the same query. So we will say select star from pg underscore pg underscore stat underscore activity where is state equal to active. So you can say there is a process ID with, okay, let me get out of here. Okay, so I have created a session simply by firing this command, and I'm saying the process ID is 4 times 4. And what SQL statement it is executing? It is executing this particular SQL statement, and this is client backend. This is being executed as Postgre user, and it is using PSQL program. So we are interested in this value, and we are going to kill this particular session. And how we are going to kill this particular session? We are going to use the hard kill, which is select pg underscore terminate underscore backend, and we will give this value. And from other session, from other terminal, I'm going to execute this. So the moment you execute it, this should be hard killed. So if I simply say the session which I was supposed to kill, if I execute any query, you will see terminating connection due to administrator command. That means somebody as an administrator has killed this command. All right, so this is how we kill a session. If you do it other way, let me connect again. The graceful way of killing it or terminating canceling a session. If I simply say again select star from pg underscore stat where state equal to active, another session PID is created, which is 4716. And if I try to cancel it using select pg underscore cancel underscore backend, then you will be firing this command. And if you come back here, and say /l, it is not going. It is going to take its own time, and you may not want to wait for that time. And if you have to quickly and clean it up, you have to use you have to use pg underscore terminate underscore backend. So just to recap, killing is it's one of the easiest and most riskiest tasks. The only thing which you have to identify is the correct PostgreSQL query. So you have to use pg underscore stat underscore activity, and if you have a GUI tool, it is very easy because it gives lot of flexibility in terms of the client address and the application name from where you have to find out the details. In our case, we have found the PID, and we have killed it. And there are two ways. One is pg underscore cancel underscore backend, and another is pg underscore terminate underscore backend. So cancel is the graceful one, and pg underscore terminate underscore backend, this is hard kill. This immediately kills the session. So it's depending upon your requirement. What your requirement is, you will be able to kill the session. So in our case, we have just created a session like this, and we killed it immediately. And this is a very small demo. I hope this is going to help. Thank you.